how to access and link your GCash on Uplift or the SWD system. Una, open ang Chrome. Pumunta sa search bar at isearch ang uplift-g2p.dswt.gov.ph. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we are lahat dito. That's not. Ayan. So, privacy notice. Click continue. Ayan. So, may dalawang option para makapag-access sa kanilang system. Una, sign in with eGov at sign in with BBM Servicio. So, for this video, ang gagamitin ko is sign in with eGov. But I will make another separate video on how to access their system using the BBM Servicio. So for this time, let's use sign in with eGov. Click nyo lang yan. Ayan, so enter your email address. Pwede namang phone number, but this time I will use email address. Make sure yung email na gagamitin mo is the same email with your GCash account. So click continue. Ayan, so may 6-digit code na isi-send via email. So pumunta sa email. Ayan. So, ayan na. Input mo yung code na yan doon sa system nila. Okay, thank you. Ayan. So, next, verify code. Ayan. So, in this part, yung 6-digit PIN mo sa eGov account. Pag gagawa ka ng eGov account, may 6-digit PIN yun at yun yung ilalagay mo in this part. 6-digit PIN of your eGov. Next, sign in. Yes. Ayan. So, accept and continue nyo lang. Yes. Ayan. So, welcome blank. So, ayan. Ililink natin yung GCash. So, enter your registered GCash number. Make sure na yung GCash nyo is nakapangalan. So, kung sino yung member sa Uplift. Thank you so much for that. Ayan. Account name. Ayan. So, ensure that your bank or wallet account name is registered under the same name in your Uplift account. Submit. Please wait. So, ayan. Success na. So, pag ganyan na yung lalabas, it means nakalink. Successfully link. You have successfully linked your GCash in the Uplift system. So, in this part, nagahang yung phone ko, kaya di makita yung nakasulat. But okay na po yan.